The 2025 Tesla redefines the electric vehicle landscape, blending cutting-edge performance with a futuristic design philosophy. Let's explore its exterior, interior, and performance highlights. First, the exterior design showcases Tesla's signature sleek and aerodynamic form. The smooth lines and minimalist styling enhance not just the car's aesthetics but its efficiency. With an upgraded front fascia, refined LED lighting, and more dynamic curves, the 2025 Tesla achieves a balance of elegance and sportiness. The flush door handles, sculpted rear design, and panoramic glass roof amplify its futuristic presence. Larger alloy wheels, ranging from 19 to 22 inches, provide improved grip and a bold stance. Underneath the striking exterior lies next-level performance. Equipped with Tesla's latest tri-motor or dual-motor setup, the vehicle delivers lightning-fast acceleration, reaching 0 to 60 miles per hour in under 2.5 seconds on the performance variant. Enhanced battery technology provides up to 400 miles of range, while advancements in thermal management ensure efficiency in all conditions. The refined suspension system offers superior handling, and Tesla's proprietary software continuously optimizes power delivery and traction. Inside, the cabin feels like a glimpse into the future. The minimalist dashboard is centered around a massive, high-resolution display that controls most of the car's functions. The materials are premium, with sustainable options like vegan leather and new trims made of recycled materials. Tesla's redesigned front seats are more ergonomic, offering greater comfort and lumbar support for long drives. The rear passengers enjoy generous legroom, climate-controlled seating, and immersive sound through Tesla's advanced audio system. Ambient lighting subtly flows through the interior, creating a relaxing atmosphere. A rear touchscreen provides entertainment and controls for rear occupants. Enhanced autopilot and full self-driving capabilities are integrated seamlessly, supported by AI-powered cameras and sensors. Voice commands and updated software ensure an intuitive driving experience. In essence, the 2025 Tesla blends luxury, innovation, and jaw-dropping performance via an EV designed to dominate the road and redefine comfort.